Hi, in this video, I would like to discuss how we can order data in descending order. So how we can do it? So let's see the practical approach. I'm moving on SQL Server, just deleted this data. Now here, my database name is training. Now I'm using here order data. This is a order data. Order table has this data. So now what you have to write, you need to write here select. You have to do profit in descending order. So you have to check profit in descending order. So you need to mention here star, then star means all columns from table name is orders, and here you need to write order by profit. This is a column name. Then you have to mention here DESC. Run it. Now your data is in descending order. So this is a highest profit of entire data sets. Now what I will do same thing, but here I will take few columns. Okay. So how we can take few columns? You need to write here. Here I need to apply condition. On the basis of condition, I will do the profit in descending order. So my condition is your product category should be technology. So here is three product category into this column. So office supplies, furniture and technology. So what you have to do, you need to take only those data which is related to product category technology, and you need to do profit is in descending order. So how we can do it? So you need to write here select star from orders. Then you have to write here or where product category. So here I'm mentioning the product category, product product category, and here you need to type uh, equal to single quote technology. Okay, then you have to mention here order by you have to write here profit column name, then you have to mention DESC descending. Run it. Now your data is for product category technology. So here it's showing only technology data and your profit is in descending order. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.